my name is Molly Murphy and I am the Commercial Accounts Manager here at Worthen Insurance Group, and in today's video we're going to go over the 6 things to know before you quote or renew a commercial insurance policy. Now I want to start off with the question that we're asked the most often, which is, how long will it take to get a new or renewal quote? Depending on your risk, sometimes we can get you a quote back in an hour, and some risks it can take up to 5 to 7 business days. If you have a high-risk business, then there are more likely many more exposures that have to be taken into account, therefore causing it to be more time-consuming. Next, why do you need that information? So here at Worthen Insurance Group, the most important aspect in our quoting process is to make sure that we completely understand your business and its operations in order to help the underwriters rate the risk correctly and give us an accurate quote. Also, most carriers do regular inspections, and if we take our time during the quoting process, then there will be no surprises or problems at inspection time. That is why it's important to know your revenue, your number of employees, payroll, rent roll, FEI number, and much more. Another important question is, will you need a copy of our current policy, and why do you need that? So yes, we will need a copy of your current policy because most carriers often want to know who you were with before, why you were leaving, and they require this information in quoting. It is necessary for us to get a side-by-side comparison in order to know how you will recover now, that we can determine what gaps you have and evaluate the best way to cover your risk moving forward. Next, do I need to reach out back at renewal every year for you to reevaluate my policy? So no, you do not need to reach out, because here at Worthen Insurance Group, we have a proven process. We review your renewal and determine based on current market conditions what we need to do going forward, and if necessary, we will remarket so that you don't have to. If my rate increased at renewal, why and what can you do about it? So rate increases are determined by the carrier at renewal. These increases are based on various factors such as claims, material and labor costs, and many other factors. Worthen will remarket if appropriate. And what factors determine my business coverage? So building coverage is based on what it costs to rebuild your building. Some factors that are also considered are the type of construction, rate of inflation determined by the labor and material costs, and each year there may be an inflation factor based on the economy. We are so excited that we get to work with you. If you have any more questions, please feel free to reach out to commercial@wortheninsurance.com or call us at 281-991-0055.